Today was the Rook's birthday. The Rook did not know this. That was the point. Pip had been planning for a very long time, 3 whole days, which is a very long time when you are 5. The kitchen smelled like butter and sugar and something very good. Pip had the bowl, Pip had the flour, Pip had the eggs, and Pip had the strawberries. Perfectly red, perfectly round. Pip looked at them very proudly, and then he turned around for just one moment. Just one moment. Nom, nom nom, nom nom nom. Pip turned back. No strawberries. 2 very full faces. Dot. Bam. Sitting on the kitchen counter, cheeks very round, very pink, very pleased with themselves. We were hungry, said Dot. Pip looked at the empty bowl for a very long time. My strawberries, said Pip. Pip needed more strawberries. The strawberry field was very far away. His boots only went forward, straight lines only. To get there and back would take all day. The Rook's party was in 1 hour. Pip sat down. Interesting problem. 2 voices, same words, same moment. Pip looked up. 2 figures, 2 long braids, long scarves, roller skates, one on a white square, one on a black square. Zig, said one. Zag, said the other. Tragic, they said together. Pip looked at Zig. Can you get to the strawberry field? Zig looked across the board, a very slow smile, obviously. From somewhere nearby. Hey, 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 hey. Dot, bam, standing right on the diagonal path, arms crossed, very smug. You need the diagonal to get there, sang Dot. And we're on the diagonal, sang Bam. Bishops can't pass us. Rules are rules. We can't pass them, said Zig. Blocked, said Zag. Pip frowned. He thought very hard. And then his eyes went very wide. You don't need to pass them, said Pip. They're on your diagonal. You can take them. A very slow smile from Zig, from Zag. Obviously they said together. Wait, said Dot. Wait, 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 said Bam. Whoosh, Zig, whoosh, Zag. Dot and Bam sat against a tree, tied up very neatly with 2 very long scarves. I forgot about that rule, said Bam. We keep forgetting about that rule, said Dot. Zig skidded to a stop. A huge pile of strawberries, perfectly red. Zag skidded to a stop. Another huge pile, perfectly round. Both at the exact same moment. That was fast, said Pip. Diagonal, said Zig. Always diagonal, said Zag. 1 hour later, at the White Castle, everyone was waiting. The doors opened. Pip walked in with a cake, strawberries on top, perfectly placed. The Rook looked at Pip. He looked at the cake. He looked at Pip again. I'm hungry, said the Rook. Pip laughed. Happy birthday. Later, Pip looked at Zig and Zag. You went so fast. Faster than I ever could. Diagonal, said Zig. Always diagonal, said Zag. but you can never go on the same squares." Zig looked at Zag. Zag looked at Zig. "We have the same braids," said Zig. Very quietly, Pip smiled. "The bishop travels diagonal. Always diagonal. Light squares or dark. Never both. Clunk, clunk, clunk. Forward. Always forward." But now Pip knew sometimes the fastest way is the diagonal way.